And last.
4, 3, 2, take off. And off. The first step for your main dance home. For the benefit of humanity.
It's a big moment. It's a big moment for Europe. It's a big moment for Europe's space industry. The first orbital launch site on European mainland. This spaceport offers an independent European gateway to space. It is exactly the infrastructure we need, not only to continue to innovate, but also to further explore the final frontier. The Commission will make a proposal for an EU space strategy for security and defence. The aim is to improve the resilience of the European space infrastructure and strengthen our shared European capabilities. Europe has its foothold in space, and we will keep it. Thank you very much.
The current geopolitical situation, not least, of course, the Russian invasion of Ukraine, has demonstrated how important it is that the European Union has access to space. Esrange's unique geographical position and long service makes it ideal for launches of satellites in polar orbits and other space activities.